हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म। इन द सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लैपलास ट्रांसफॉर्म, द फर्स्ट वन इज लीनियर प्रॉपर्टीज थ्योरम and the second one is first shifting theorem. So this is the lecture third of Laplace transform. So starting from the linear properties of Laplace transform. So this is the linear theorem. Suppose we have two functions along with their respective Laplace transform L of ft equal to fs and L of gt equal to gs. Then the property of linearity means that L of a ft plus b of gt equal to a of fs plus b of gs, where a and b are the constant. So linear properties, again I repeat students, what is the linear property of the Laplace transform? L of a of ft plus b of gt equal to a of fs plus b of gs, where a and b are the constant. So this is the linear property of the Laplace transform. So let us prove the linear property of the Laplace transform. आइए हम लोग देखते हैं अब इसके प्रूफ को. We have the definition of the Laplace transform. L of ft equal to fs equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, and L of gt equal to gs equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st gt. तो इस तरीके से Laplace of ft फंक्शन का Laplace transform हो गया 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, and the next one, when the function is gt, then the Laplace transform of the form is 0 to infinity e to the power minus st gt. Now we have to prove that L of a of ft, b of gt. So this can be written as a should be outside a of L of ft plus b of L of gt. A as it is L of ft can be written as fs, and b as it is L of gt is written as gs. Now take the LHS L of a of ft, b of gt. So when we reduce the L value, means Laplace, it becomes, by definition of the Laplace transform, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, and the function form a of ft b of gt. So put here as a function a of ft b of gt dt. By separating the integrals and outside the constant value, a should be outside 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt, and b should be outside 0 to infinity e to the power minus st gt dt. So here is a, and this integral is known as fs. Here is b, and this integral is known as gs. This is the proof of linear property of Laplace transform. Now see the in example based on linear property. Find the Laplace transform of ft e to the power 2t plus 4 of t to the power 3 minus 2 of sine 3t plus 3 of cos 3t. Applying the solution. Applying the Laplace transform both sides, we have L of ft equal to L of this one e to the power 2t plus 4 of t to the power cube minus 2 of sine 3t plus 3 of cos 3t. Now using the linear property, L of e to the power 2t plus 4 should be outside 4 of t to the power cube minus 2 of L of sine 3t plus 3 of L of sine 3t. This is equation number 1. Now we know that by the elementary property of Laplace transform, I have already discussed in lecture 2 what is the result of L of e to the power at. Laplace of L of e to the power at is 1 by s minus a. L of e to the power t to the power n is factorial n divided by s plus 1. L of sine at is a divided by s square plus a square. L of cos at is s divided by s square plus a square. So this is the basic elementary result of Laplace transform. Now using this result, we get L of ft value is 1 by s minus 2 plus 4 as it is, factorial 3 divided by s to the power 3 plus 1 because the value of n is 3, minus 2, 3 divided by s square plus a square, here a square means 3 square not cube, plus 3 of s divided by s square plus 3 square. So after simplification, we get the value of 1 by s minus 2 plus 24 divided by s to the power 4 plus 3s minus 6 divided by s square plus 9. So this is the solution of the problem. Now take the another example of linear property of Laplace transform. अब हम लोग दूसरे एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं लीनियर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लैपलेस ट्रांसफॉर्म का. So this is the another problem of Laplace transform based on linear property. 1 plus 2 of under root t plus 3 divided by under root t. Proof. Let ft equal to 1 plus 2 of under root t plus 3 divided by under root t. Now using Laplace both side, L of ft equal to L of 1 plus 2 of under root t plus 3 divided by under root t. So this can be written as L of 1 plus 2 of L of under root t plus 3 of L of 1 by under root 2 under root t. So this can be written as Laplace of 1 as it is plus 2 of L of t to the power. Here is t to the power half plus 3 L t to the power minus half. This is equation number 1. As we know, the elementary formulas of Laplace transform, Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, Laplace of t to the power n is factorial n divided by s to the power n plus 1 equal to gamma n plus 1 divided by s to the power n plus 1 also. Now using this result, it becomes 1 by s plus 2 of 1 by 2 factorial divided by s to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 of minus half factorial divided by s to the power minus half plus 1. So this is the another solution of the linear property of based Laplace transform. Now the next property is first shifting theorem of Laplace transform. So the theorem is, if L of ft equal to f bar of s, then L of e to the power at ft becomes f bar of s minus a. So this is the first shifting theorem of Laplace transform. Again I repeat the statement of first shifting theorem. यदि L of ft का वैल्यू f bar of s है, तो L of e to the power at ft का वैल्यू f bar of s minus a होगा. ये हम लोगों का फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थ्योरम का स्टेटमेंट है. नाउ सी द प्रूफ ऑफ द थ्योरम बाय स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन. L of e to the power at ft can be written as 0 to infinity e to the power minus st of e to the power at ft dt, because this is the function of form of ft. Here ft in place of ft e to the power at ft. So put here, after simplification it becomes 0 to infinity e to the power minus of s minus a of t ft dt. Now put s minus a equal to r, s minus a equal to r. So it becomes 0 to infinity e to the power minus rt ft dt. So this is the function of f bar of r and the value of r is s minus a, so put here as s minus a. Hence the L of e to the power at ft becomes f bar of s minus a. Suppose अगर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव अगर रहेगा तो रिजल्ट जो हो जाएगा फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग का f bar of s plus a हो जाएगा. So this is the first shifting theorem of the Laplace transform. Now on taking the example of based on first shifting theorem, see the example L of e to the power minus 3t cos of 4t. Therefore L of cos 4t is s divided by s square plus 4 square. Now using the first shifting theorem, e to the power minus 3t cos of 4t, so s becomes s plus 3. जहां जहां पे s है वहां पर s plus 3 हो जाएगा, तो s plus 3 divided by s plus 3 of whole square plus 4 square. अगर यहाँ पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो s minus 3 divided by s minus 3 का whole square plus 4 square. Now another example, e to the power 2t cos hyperbolic 2t. So first of all, cos hyperbolic of 2t is s divided by s square minus a square, means s square minus 2 of square, because here e to the power 2t in plus, so put here s minus 2. Value of a is 2, so s minus 2. s minus 2 of whole square minus 2 of square. सिमिलरली उसी तरीके से अगर यहाँ नेगेटिव रहता तो प्लस हो जाता, अल्टरनेट होता. अगर पॉजिटिव देन डेविएट करेंगे नेगेटिव से, अगर नेगेटिव रहेगा यहाँ पर e to the power माइनस समथिंग तो यहाँ पर प्लस हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द अनदर एग्जांपल बेस्ड ऑन फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थ्योरम ऑफ Laplace ट्रांसफॉर्म. थैंक यू.